Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to discuss class 4 math C. This is a syllabus for class 4 second term C. In this chapter, in this syllabus we are going to learn about division, factors and multiples, whole parts and fraction and geometry. See, in division we are going to learn about 2 digit, 3 digit or 1 digit number that are going to be divide by a 1 digit, 2 digit or 3 digit number, okay? Then factor multiples, we are going to know about prime factors, multiples and divisions method also here, something related to multiples and factor. Then whole parts and fraction, we are going to learn about factors, wholes, part and fraction about. Then geometry, we are going to learn about lines, point, triangle, circles and etc., which are given in the chapters. Okay, now let us see this chapter. See here, one thing, see here. Now see this chapter, this is division. See here we are going to know about and revise the chapter as that we have done in class 3 also. See, division by a unit digit, that means first we divide the 10 place, then we divide the 1 place, and then we are going to be do it. The most important thing that we have to know about this division is that we have to know about dividend, divisor, quotient or remainder. See one thing here, what is dividend? See, the number that is being divided is divided, that means the number that is being divided is called the dividend. Okay, then the number by which we divide, that means the number by which we divide is called the divisor. Okay, and the number that we got after division is called quotient, and the number that we got after division as remaining is known as remainder. Okay, now see one example, let us see this is the division way of doing division. What we got here, we got a number that will divide, that we call divisor. The number that is divided by this number is known as dividend. Okay, is known as dividend. And after divided we got the answer, and that answer is known as quotient. And after quotient, if we get anything left that is not get exact value, that is known as remainder. Okay, now see one thing here. See, this is our dividend. We divide it with divisor and we get the answer that is known as quotient. And after getting, if anything is left here, that is known as remainder. That is known as remainder. Okay, now see here one example. See, divide the tens, that means there is one number, that means 38 divided by 3. See how we'll divide. First we divide the tens, see, unit and 10, that means 10. So if 10 3 1 ja, we do here 3, then it become, cut it 0, and this 8 remain as remainder. It will go in next step. Okay, so we can write here 3 1 tens, we become here what we got here, 3 tens. Okay, okay, this cross means 0. Then we do the next process, we'll do the ones place, that means since we have done this place, we have minus it, we got nothing here. Then this 8 has come, when we divide this with 2, we got here 3 2 ja 6, we get 2 here remainder. Okay, so here our 3 2 ja, we got here 6 ones. So we can say here that our dividend is 38, our divisor is here 3, then our quotient is our 12, and remainder is our 2. So in this way we are going to do this. Then we are going to do, see one thing, divide, that means division by a one digit number without remainder. But before that we will see this exercise. See, this is the exercise that we have to do in this. It is a revision exercise that we have done in class 3 also. Now see one example that we're going to do here. See here that we're going to do here one example. See number 1a, 24 by 9, we have to divide it. What we'll do, we'll do 24 like this. Since here given 9, this is 10 and this is 1s. Okay, since this unit place, this 10 place is smaller than 9, so we can take here 2 digit and we read the table of 9. That means we got 9 3s are not 9 3s are 27, so it will not be. So we talk 9 2s are 18. We'll divide it and we got here 6 as remainder. So we can say our here that divisor is our 9, divided is our 24, quotient is our 2, and remainder is our 6. So in this way we can say that this exercise will be done, and you have to do this at your home. This is one example that which is when first, that means 10 place digit is smaller than the divisor. Now we'll see do another example. See, it is number D. See, it is 92 by 92 divided by 5. See here, 92 when divided by 5, see, tens and ones do it. Okay, do here once here. 92 when divided by 5, tens and ones do it. Since it is 10th place is greater, that means than 5, so it will be one time. So 5, we get 4 here remainder. Then we put this 2 here and we'll again do the calculation. Read the table. 5 8 ja, we got here 40, we got here 2 as remainder. Okay, as we got 2 as remainder, so we can say here that our divisor is here 5, divided is our 92, quotient is our 18, and remainder is our 2. So in this way you have to do this exercise at your home. Then okay, now we see division by a one digit number without remainder. See, here first we divide the 100 place, then we divide the 10 place, and then we divide the 1 place. Okay, in this way we will going to do this exercise. Now see here example. See, first see here 246 when divided by 2. See, first we divide the 100 place, then unit 10 100. Since this is 100 place, since this divided 2 and this divisor 2 are equal, so they can be divisible. So we can write here 1 and we got here 2. When you minus it, it become cancel, and we got cancel here. Okay, so we can get 2 into 100, we got here 2 hundreds. Okay, now see, now we will in next step we will drop it. See, next step, now we'll divide the 10 one, that means this place. So we have to do the first place, this like this 1, and we have to drop this here 4. Since 2 2 will got here 4, again this is cancelled, and we have to drop this in the next step. Okay, so we can take say here 2 into 2 tens, we get here 4 tens. In this way we will do the division for 10 place and 100 place, and then we will going to do the 1 place. See, again we have to do this 1 2, cancel it, drop this 4 2 here. Again we have to now drop this 6 here, put here 3 6, cut it, and we got here 2 into 3, we got here 6 ones, since it in one place. Now here our quantum is whatever. Quantum is our 246. Our remainder is nothing, that is 0. When we divide it, we got here answer 123. In this way we will do this. Now see one example more here. See this, we will do it direct. See here 1432 by 2. Since here it become 1000, 100, tens and ones. Okay, now see, since this place is smaller than divisor, so we'll take the 2 digit, and this 2 digit become 14, and we'll divide this, so we got here 7, so it become 14, and we have to cancel it. Now we drop this 3 in the next place, and since this 3 is greater than this 2, we put here 1 here, so 2 1 2, 1 here. Now drop this 2 here, it become 12. Now 2 6 12 we got here. Now cancel it. So now what we got here, see, our dividend is 1432, our divisor is 2, and our quotient is 716. Our quotient is 716. And then you see one thing, our remainder is 0. So we can say that here, when 1432 is divided by 2, we'll got here 716. In this way we have to do this thing. Now we will see one thing, this is the exercise, that means 4.1. You have to divide this 84 by 2, 189 by 9. In this we'll do it, and you have to divide this also. Okay, this thing as I have shown you, in this way you have to divide it. Thank you. And if you have any problem, please comment, for that I can solve it. Now see one thing, see here. Now see this exercise, see. Now see this exercise 4.1. Now we'll trying to do it. See number 1, a 84 divided by 2. Now do it. See 84 when divided by 2, I'll do it. See, it is our 10 and 1s. See, since it is greater than this, so 2 4 it become 8. Cut it. Now drop this 4 here, so 2 2 4 here, cut it this. So you can say that here our divisor is 2, dividend is 84, remainder is 0, and quotient is 42. In 42, in this way you have to do this exercise. Now see one example more. See number 2a. See, you have to divide 242 by 2. See here, since 242 divided, since 2 here we take here, it is our 100, tens and ones. See, This place is equal to this place, we can write a 1, 2 2 ja 4, sorry 2 1 ja 2, cancel it. Now 4, drop it here in next step. So 2 2 ja 4, it is cancelled. And since this 2, you have to remove this here 2, so 2 1 ja 2, so it is cancelled. So again we can say here our divisor equal to 2, divided equal to 2 4 2, 2 4 2, and our quotient equal to 1 2 1, 1 2 1, and remainder equal to 0. So we can say here 2 4 2 when divided by 2, we got here 121, 121. And here we can say that when 84 is divided by 2, we got here 42. In this way we will do this exercise. Okay, if you have any doubt, any problem, you can comment on this video so that I can give you the answer as reply. Thank you.